About to smoke some cream cheese. That's good. That's better than two for one lap dance night at the strip club. Let's blend those three things together and make a cheese ball. Smoked cheese ball. Smoked cheese ball, boy! That's one of the best things in the world right there. Legit. But check this out. All right, we're gonna do that same thing again. Mix all these together, except for we're gonna add onions, jalapenos, and crispy bacon to this one. Now wrap that stuff up in some wonton wrappers. Look at those bad boys right there. That's so damn good. That ain't so much cheese I ain't gonna poop for a week, boys. Take your mama chicken.